Good morning, students. Here Neela ma'am from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 1, that is planning in sports. Lesson number 1, planning in sports. Today you are going to learn about intramurals, meaning, history and origin of intramurals, activities for intramural competition, objectives, advantages, significance of intramurals, then just introduction of just meaning of extramural also. Okay, so let's start today. Intramurals, meaning of intramurals means the activity which are performed within the campus of an institution are called intramurals. Students of other school cannot participate in these activities. Motto is a game for all and each for a game. So this word intramural, it is derived from a Latin word intra, I-N-T-R-A, which means within, and muralis, which means wall. Thus intramural mean within the walls. It can be said that intramurals are the activities within the walls or within the campus or institution. The main aim of the intramural in the mass participation, these activities are organized only for the students of a school or institution. No student of other school can participate in these activities. Students get maximum educational benefits from such competitions. Intramurals activities provide the enjoyment through physical education or activities. These activities can be indoor or outdoor. Minor games or major games. These activities provide satisfaction and enjoyment which participants get through their experiences in these competitive sports and in physical recreational programs. Then history and origin of intramurals. Intramurals were introduced many years back in the United States of America, USA, to motivate the students to take part in sports activities. By the passage of time, intramurals became very popular throughout the world. The benefits of intramurals activities are to every student of the institution in order to achieve the aim of education, and these competitions help in all-round development of the child. Then, what is the significance of intramural tournaments? Significance, it is important for physical, mental, emotional and social development of students. Stress is laid on moral and ethical values, and necessary for the development of health of children, manages aggression, provides recreation, provides opportunities to students to participate in games and sports, help to develop leadership qualities among the students. Then there are objectives, or we can say advantages or significance of intramurals. To provide opportunity to every student to participate in games and sports. So these intramurals tournaments provide opportunity to every student so that they can participate in games and sports to develop the leadership quality. These intramural tournaments help in developing leadership qualities. So intramural activities, these are helpful in developing leadership among the students who participate in these activities. Younger leaders can effectively develop leadership qualities through sports, spending time learning practicing, and then executing their skill in a team game against a committed opposition help build effective leadership qualities in oneself. Then, to develop the feeling of cooperation. Students, they learn how to cooperate with each other. Then number 4 is to provide recreation. So when a student participate in intramurals, so this will help when they participate in intramurals. So it will give them recreation for the students. Means participating in intramurals are a healthy means of recreation for students. Intramural activities provide recreation to the students, which help in refreshing them. They get a lot of fun and enjoy themselves by participating in various activities. Intramurals help in creating an atmosphere of excitement and provide a good opportunity to bring everyone together. Then number 5, to develop the feeling of sportsmanship. Yes, through sports, children can learn sportsmanship. They can learn how to accept and cope with losses rather than feeling completely defeated. Through sports, children can understand that sometimes it's okay if they lose. The important part is to get back up and try again. They learn that there is no harm in being competitive, but if they lose, they should show good sportsmanship and accept defeat also. Then number 6 is to provide the opportunity to learn a variety of games and skills. So intramural activities provide additional opportunity for the students to learn new games which they might not have been previously aware of. The students become efficient in various games by learning their skills and rules, etc. They learn about various new skills and work on them to improve themselves. So in this way, intramurals help in learning a variety of games and skills. Then to find out the talented sports persons. Intramurals tournaments provide an opportunity to select talented players or team to participate in extramural tournaments. Those players who show skill and fitness in these events, they can be selected for extramurals also. So intramurals help to find out the talented sports persons. Number 8, to provide the experience of organization of competitions. So intramurals are very helpful in providing the experience of organization of competitions. Means as per the interest of the students and need of the institution, students can help in conducting the tournament, which gives them good experience of officiating in event management, etc. In future, this experience will help them in professional and personal aspects. So professional experience they will gain. So there are some other activities for intramural competitions here. So major games: volleyball, hockey, tennis, badminton, football, etc. And minor games are kho-kho, tag game, roller skating, sack race, etc. Creative activities are painting, drawing, sculpting, making models, etc. And combating activities are boxing, judo, and this is taekwondo and karate, etc. So many activities can be included in intramural competitions. The activities for intramurals should be selected very carefully. Mainly The selection of activities should be based on two factors: interest of students and availability of facilities in the institution. All the intramural activities must provide recreation to the students. These activities should aid in achieving the goals of education and contribute to general development of the students. Hence, the selection should be made out of the following categories. So, these is major games, minor games. There are also rhythmics like marching, folk dance, group dance, solo dance, mass PT, rhythmic gymnastic, etc. Then creative activities like painting, drawing, making models. I have explained it. And combative here activities are boxing, judo, taekwondo, and karate. Major and minor games. So students, in the next video you will learn about meaning of extramural, objectives, advantages of extramurals. So meaning of this extramural is the activities which are performed outside the wall of an institution or school are called extramurals. Students of two or more schools participate in these activities, so these are called inter-year school competitions. So extramural word, it is also a Latin word. Extra and murals means outside the walls. In other words, these activities are played outside the walls of the institution or school, college. Extramurals are the inter-school or college competitions. Such competitions give opportunity to the players and athletes of various schools, colleges to show their skills, talent, and bring honor to the institution they represent. When a team of a school or a college is selected after the intramurals and it participates in inter-school college tournaments, that is called extramurals. And extramural is of three types. These extramurals can be of so many types, that is friendly matches, inter-school or college matches, and open competitions. So students, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care, and God bless all of us. Thank you. And presentation by Neelam Jain. Thank you, students.